Class 10. Today I am going to explain you GST, Goods and Services Tax. Actually, what is GST? It is a latest new tax which is imposed by our Indian government on buying an article or goods. It has to be paid by every consumer when he is buying any article or goods. See the example here. Suppose cost of any article, cost price of any article is 100 rupees and tax on this article is a 10%. Now calculate the 10% of 100, it will come rupees 10. So it is called GST. So total cost of article will be 110, 100 plus 10. So we can buy this article on rupees 110. Now see secondly, types of GST. GST are three types: CGST, SGST, IGST. CGST means central GST, state GST and integrated GST. Now see, integrated GST. What is the integrated GST? It is actually GST, central government GST This is central government GST. It is also central government GST. But this GST we will apply in the particular case. We will take in particular case this IGST. So government are here two types of government, central government and state government. So CGST central government, SGST state government and IGST is also for central government but in particular selling case. I will explain this particular selling case further. See first, after this, types of sales. There are two types of sales. Intrastate sale. If any article is going to sales on the same state, that is called intrastate sale. See the example. Cost price is 100 rupees. Taxes suppose on this article is 10%. Calculate 10% of 100, 10 rupees will come. So in intrastate case, this 10 rupees is going to divide into two equal halves. One half will take central government and another half will take state government. So 5 rupees and 5 rupees. CGST and SGST. So tax will divide like this in a case of intrastate selling. Now see the interstate selling. What is interstate selling? If one article is going to sales one state to another state, it is called interstate. See the example, 100 rupees is the article cost price, suppose tax is 10%, again 10% of 100 will come rupees 10. So tax is again, GST is again coming 10 rupees. So this GST will go to the central government this time because it is an interstate case. So central government will decide this 10 rupees how to divide between the states. So this is the responsibility of central government, how to divide between the states. So it is called IGST. So interstate case, selling case, we will take IGST and intrastate CGST and SGST, equal and equal. Input and output GST. What is input and output GST? Input and output GST we will use for selling chain question. There are more than one sellers. See here, manufacturer, dealer and last consumer. See the example here, rupees 100 is the selling price. The manufacturer A is selling to B, dealer, and tax is 10%. So tax charge by A from B, 10% of 100, rupees 10. So it is called output tax because this A is charging tax from B, so it is called output tax. Input tax is not given. Input tax means if someone will take tax from A, so that is called input tax. Input tax is not given, 0. And now B, cost price of B will be 100, selling price is 100, so this person cost price will be 100 because this A is selling to B. So B cost price is 100. So tax paid by B to A, how much? 10 rupees. So for B it will be input tax. And now selling price, suppose this cost price 100, selling price will be extra than 100, obviously it will be extra. So selling price is a 110, 120 suppose. So he is selling to consumer 120. So from consumer, he will charge, B will charge tax from consumer 10% of 120. It will come rupees 12. It is called output tax, and tax given B to A is a 10 rupees, 10 rupees, and tax charged by B from C is a 12 rupees. So it is called output tax. And now cost for consumer, cost price, selling price 120, cost price for consumer 120, tax paid by consumer 120, 10%, 12 rupees. So total cost will be 120 plus 12, 132. Now see the tax paid by manufacturer to the government as a GST. Output tax minus input tax. This is the formula for GST. Output tax is a 10 rupees. Input tax is not given for this, 0. So 10 rupees GST for A. And now get the GST for second seller, dealer. What output tax is a 12 rupees and input tax is a 10 rupees. So 12 minus 10, 2 rupees. So this B will pay to the government as a GST 2 rupees. And total GST received by government 10 rupees plus 2 rupees, 12 rupees. Answer. So this is the all rules about GST. Now see exercise 1. Question number 1. Raw material cost is this one, and tax paid on raw material is a 12%. So 12% calculate this, 14,400. So this is called input tax, because manufacturer will pay tax 12% on raw material. So when manufacturer will pay the tax, that is called input tax for manufacturer. Now manufacturer will charge the tax, that is called output tax. The selling price is this, selling tax is this one. Now tax charge this one. So it is called 18% of this. How much? 40,500. So output tax. So what will be GST in this question? Output tax minus input tax. Answer. This is the answer. Now see the question number 7. In question number 7, mark price is this one and CGST is given 6% and discount is 12%. First of all, calculate the discount. Discount is this one. So after discount, cost will come 3960. Give the discount on this 12%. So after discount cost, calculate the CGST 6%, central government tax 6%. This is coming. So CGST and SGST will be same, because in this question there is given selling intrastate. So for this question selling is given intrastate. So CGST and SGST will be same. Now what is the total cost of article? After discount cost is 3960. This is CGST, this is SGST for intrastate. Add all these, answer. Now 14th question. Selling chain questions. First person is a manufacturer. Manufacturer cost price is 32,000 and selling price is 2,000 more. That is 34,000. And GST is 18%. So tax charged by A. How much tax charge? 18% of 34,000. And tax charge is always called output tax. So output tax is a 6120. And input tax is not given for manufacturer. The most of the time it is not given for manufacturer, input tax. So output tax minus input tax, GST. So GST will be same money because input tax is 0 here, 6120. So this is the tax paid by manufacturer to government, 6120 as a GST. Now see second seller, B. Selling price is 34,000. So cost price of distributor will be 34,000. This A is selling to B. So this is cost price 34,000 and selling price is 2,500 more than cost price, 36,500. Input tax for this B. How much tax B paid to A? B paid to A 6120. So for B it will be input tax and output tax on selling price, 18% of selling price, 657. This is output tax. And what is the GST? How much GST will pay B to the government? Output tax minus input tax. Output tax minus input. 450 rupees. Answer. Not answer. This is GST of distributor. Now see wholesaler. Third person is a wholesaler. Third seller is a wholesaler. That is denoted by C. Now cost price. This is selling price of B and this will be cost price for C. And 3000 extra than cost price. Selling price is a 3000 extra than cost price. This is selling price. Now input tax for C. How much tax paid C to B? 6570. So this will be for B input tax. Input tax is this one. And output tax on selling price. Selling price is this one. Output tax 7110. Now get the difference between the output and input tax. That is called GST. So GST of C will be this one 540. Now fourth seller is a retailer denoted by D. Cost price, selling price is this one. The cost price for D will be same 39 and selling price is 3500 more than cost price. This is now input tax paid by D to C is how much? This is 7110. So for this person it will be input tax 7110. Output tax 18% of selling price. This is output. The output minus input. Output minus input. It is a GST paid by D to the government. Who's D? Retailer. So retailer is paying to government how much money? 630. This is GST of D. Now total GST received by government. Total GST. How much GST manufacturer paid to the government? 6120. And this person is paying to the government 450 and C is paying to the government 540 and D is paying to the government 630. Add all these. This is the answer. So GST, total GST received by government 7740. Now final amount of articles. Now last time article selling price. What was the last time selling price of the article? Is a 43,000 43,000 plus GST. What is the total GST? 7740. So this is the 50,740. This is the total cost of article. So children, this is the GST. Now next time I will take new topic and the rest of the question of GST you can do it yourself from exercise 1. Now next time I am going to start new topic. Thank you.